So it's just to match this recording with that one. So hi, welcome back to one new video. This is a different type of video because I'm gonna use the sticks and try to make over here and use these sticks to make like a shelf or something like here. So what I'm gonna do is take two sticks like this and glue them like this. So I've already glued this one, but I need many of this to be glued, like many of them to be glued to make a shelf over there. So let's start a montage. So I have completed this and it looks pretty good. Now I gotta let it dry for a little bit and meet you guys after a little bit after this gets dried, and we're gonna install this over there. So meet you in an hour. For you guys it's a second if I snap my finger, but for me it's like an hour or something. I'm just gonna watch some cold film videos. Bye. This is all sealed up, so I'm gonna mark this. Focus. You can see this, right? So you can see these marks, right? That I have. 1 second. Yeah, you can hear me. You can see these marks, right? I have made. So I'm gonna cut this with the saw, and these are going to be like the post which will hold up the shelf like this. Let me just show you. So you can see this marks that I have like done. I'm just gonna saw it off and use them like a post. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna use it like this, but I can't use it right now because it's not flat and it's too tall. So let me just start this on. Right here I was trying to glue it on like the post to be glued on the shelf, but let me you can see it doesn't work. Like I think it could work, but I don't think it's gonna work. So I tried another solution. Let me just show you. So here it is. I just screwed on the post, but the problem is it started snapping. Like the wood wasn't hard enough and it started snapping. So I was really mad, but got the work done. So I'm finally completed this, and I was just watching some car fixing videos, and the woods here you can see it's being snapped here when I screwed it in, and that was really hard to do. I did it, I screwed it here and there, but when I keep something on it, like this box over there, it started a little bit bending. So what I'm going to do is, what I have thought is, I got this one which becomes like a support right here. I'm gonna cut here so I can screw this to this one. I hope it's going to work. So I have sawed it up in an angle, 90-degree angle, not a 90, like a slope angle. So now I'm gonna fix it on it. So finally I've completed this. This is a little broken here. I'm just gonna use some tape. I already used here because I couldn't screw it in. So I've screwed here, screwed here, screwed here, and here, and here. You didn't see that. So yeah, I've completed this build, I guess. Yeah, you didn't see anything, right? You didn't see anything. So I've completed this. I'm just going to tape this part and let's see how it looks over there. So I finally completed this build. It was really hard and I got really mad because those wood were not like hard enough to the screws to go in. It would always break, as you can see. Yeah, like it's like breaking there. Yeah, that's all. And I'm gonna clean this place up. It's fully dirty, so I'm gonna clean this place up and show you some cool stuff about this. I might make another one over here, but I won't do like the screwed in. I'm just gonna use glue and tape. I think that's better. So that's all. Meet you later. Bro, if you're still watching, you're the best. Like, you're awesome. Thanks for watching and bye.